weekend because I was just making slime on a video, but then I realised it needed to hook up my storage and I wanted to do a few tests. So here's the first slime I made. I was like testing with this glue because it's like a different glue than I used last time. Well, last time I actually made slime, like this old slime, which dried up ages ago. But then this is actual slime right now, and when I was kneading it, it dyed my fingers. And it was obviously made from this bowl. Oh, there's still some, hold on. Okay, I was just saying that there's more slime in the bowl. Now taking it all out. It's actually pretty stretchy. But then, let's just get on to the actual test. Okay, so the first slime I'm making is with the ingredients: clear glue, obviously, a bowl and something to mix with. I know it's still wet, but it don't matter. It's not really going to change the slime because we're going to be adding some activator, which is washing powder and water mixed till dissolved. Some glitter glue thingy and a mixing tool. But then this mixing tool I'm not going to use because this is for the activator. We need to give this a wash. And that should be okay. Just mix it in and then let's get started. And guys, maybe I should throw my old one away. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Because it was dry. And I don't know what to do with dry slime. I know I should add water to it, but it did not help at all. Then it's like all clumpy and disgusting. And I'm not gonna make red slime because look what I done to my hand. Whoa, sorry about that, guys. And then look at this slime that I made not like about 2 seconds ago. 1, 2, I just made slime. Look at it. It has got a bit of a poking sound. See? It's a bit of a slime poker. Oh no, it's sticking everywhere. But I don't know if it actually sticks to your clothes. It got attached onto a lid and it was sticking to the lid. Look how cool this slime is. I don't want to smell it though. Okay, now first of all, let's just get on to adding the glue. Okay, I'm actually going to make a pretty big slime. I'm going to be mixing them all together at the end of the video to make one big slime so it is dry, you know, yeah. And then I'm just going to add some pink. So I'm going to make this a purple. I'm actually going to add all of it because I don't really use these. I'm just going to add all of it in. Hopefully this does not affect the slime. I doubt it will. Okay, I'm just going to add this blue one. Because I don't have that much time, I'm just going to actually skip it all. Well, until okay. I'm just going to mix that now at the back. Okay, I've mixed it all now and it looks really pretty, look. It has turned a bit watery because there's a bit of water in here, but it'll form slime. Now I'm just going to add some of my activator. Let's just see if it works. I actually want to add quite a bit because it'll take forever to actually form. See, look at it forming. Okay, I'll be back when that's done. Wow, when I was mixing I flipped some. But this does not seem like it's working. Well, it does a little. Actually. It is a little bit. But like when you mix it, it's like there's nothing there. Like it's just pure water. But I'm just gonna keep mixing. Okay guys, so now sorry, now slime, the glittery slime is actually done, finally. Took me forever. I just got a big hair. I know it's got a, well, it is more pink, but I did actually add a bit of blue in, but it don't matter, it's still slimy. So I'm doing mixing, well I'm just gonna actually keep kneading this. Then I'll get back to you when it's fully done. Then we'll make the next slime. So now the slime is done. It's not that stretchy as the other one, but it don't matter. And I'm just going to mix the red one and the pink blue one together. Glittery one together. Just have to pick up the red one first without getting any hairs on it. Because there's hairs everywhere. Okay, here's the red one, and here's the pink one. And blue one. Oh, look how pretty that is. Look. It's a donut. Sort of. Okay, and I'll just mix it together. I think it's not really going to make a difference, except for I'm just going to make it a bit glittery. Because the red is like taking over. Look. It's like, you can't even see the other slimes. The other slime. I'll be back when I'm going to the next slime. Okay, now we're going on to the next slime. Is clear slime. So what you've been needing for this slime is a wet bowl. Well, it doesn't have to be wet, but just kidding. Clear glue, but we're making clear slime this time. Activator. Mixing tool. I think that's it actually. Yeah, let's get started. First of all, we're going to pour in the clear glue again, as usual. Just pour in the clear glue. And then we're going to add activator. Because we don't need to mix it, because it's going to be watery anyway with a wet bowl. Okay, I've added some of that. Now let's just mix. Guys, look how easy that's forming. Look how easy. It's like practically done. It's forming already. But this red one is like a Halloween one. Do that poking sound. And it's actually forming. It's like done right now. Literally, it's done. So I just need to get it all out now. Okay, and now I've already got slime out. It took me like 2 minutes. I know it's a bit pink because of the bowl, and it's not really that clear because of the detergent. But trust me, it's made of clear glue, so it's meant to be clear. But it don't matter. I'm just going to keep kneading it, then I'm going to add it in. Now I'm going to add this clear slime to the red and blue and pink glittery slime. So I've basically added 2 pink slimes in. But one of them is pink and blue. Look how big this is. It's like one of my biggest slimes. Literally. I really like it a lot. I actually find it drying out a bit because it's not stretchy like it used to be. It's not a bit of water. It's still drying up. I'm actually gonna make, the next I'm gonna make is gonna be using the Ress's glue. So yeah, I'll be back with the materials. In this slime video, or part of the video, I'm gonna be making crunchy slime with eyeballs. So yeah, you'll be needing a bowl, a mixing utensil, which mine is right here. It was wet, but it does not matter. Yeah. And you're going to be needing some eyeballs or something to make it crunchy. You can even make a fishbowl slime if you wanted. There's no point in having food dye or red food dye because the slime's already red. So yeah, let's get started. Obviously I'm going to pour in the clear glue, but I'm going to use all of it in this one. Oh, this actually is a lot in here. People will say you add water to it first, but it'll still make slime either way. Little bubbles. Hashtag glue farts. Okay, just to make sure it's all out, I'm gonna add some water to it. There's no, like, it's hardly even water in here. Okay, add some water. Shh. Put the cap on wherever the cap is. Where's the cap? There's like a big cap. I'll just put this on. No, I won't even put these. Nobody won't even. Oh. Do that. Just shake it up. Okay, and just poured it in. Okay, so and then we're going to mix it so we don't have half slime and half watery slime. Ooh, feels really weird mixing. And I'll be back when that's done. For this material, I don't know if I said this, but we need some activator. If I did say it, then just ignore what I just said. It's very bubbly, guys. Look, it's very bubbly. Look. Yeah, and we're gonna add our activator now. I know, you're thinking, well, what happened to the eyeballs? I'm fed up with it happening. Keep Ew. Ew. It looks slaps on me. Okay, let's just add our detergent. Okay. And I'll be back when the slime is actually done. Guys, look. I'm putting my hands in here now. There's a lot of slime in here. And look. That's only like a quarter of it. I'll be back when it's all out. Look how much. So this is what it looks like when it's done. The eyes do stick to me because my hands are wet. But like, I might add more eyes, and this is actually a really big batch of slime. One of my biggest batches of slime, actually. So yeah. I'm recording. What's your fault?
How am I supposed to know?
So yeah.